Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and today I'm traveling to Praia do Guincho in Portugal to get a full day experience. It's such a nice place, with all kinds of beauty and charm that you can't even imagine. Come with me and let's explore. Please click like and write a comment if you've enjoyed the video so far. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join me on all my future adventures too. Let's start our day in Praia do Guincho with a nice long walk at the beach club. You can see how the sand reflects off the crystal blue water and how the people stay and play here. From jet skiing and beach volleyball to windsurfing and kiteboarding, the beach club has it all. After that, I decided to explore a bit further and get a closer look at the beauty. I got to explore hidden caves, rugged rocks, and breathtaking cliffs. The views and sensations were amazing. Next, I explored the typical little towns and villages around the beach. Here you can try all kinds of traditional Portuguese dishes and go shopping for little trinkets. The day ended with a spectacular sunset. After hours on the beach, the colorful sky was a great reminder of how special this place truly is. I truly hope you have enjoyed this journey with me. Please click like and write a comment if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures like this. Until then, I hope this video was helpful. See you soon.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.